Hello and welcome back to another stitch tutorial from SandraStitches, and today we're going to be learning how to work this fabulous, amazing stitch which is called the caramel stitch. Just take a look at this texture. You see these kind of spiky cluster stitches. They look not really the same, but similar from both sides, so you can decide which side you want to use it. And I made this sample in two colors, so the stitch and the pattern pops up, but you can totally use it in one color. Yeah, I don't know what to say about it. It's just fabulous. It's amazing. Let's get started. So I will be using my 5mm hook and my Aran weight number 4 yarn. We start with a slip knot and we chain in even numbers. So any length, width, whatever you need, you chain in even numbers. So I will chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. For this, just for the tutorial, I'll make a small sample. So I have 12. First row, it's a single crochet row all the way across. So we start by working 1 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. The loop on the hook does not count as nothing, so we skip the first one and we put 1 single crochet in the second chain from the hook and 1 single crochet in the next chain. So insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2, and all the way across to the end of the row. This is a 4-row repeat stitch pattern, but it's very, very simple and so beautiful. So you can just, walk, I don't know, a blanket, a scarf, poncho, maybe a ruana. Use it in different colors. I don't know, be creative. It's just a wonderful, wonderful stitch and with so much texture. So 1 single crochet in each chain from the foundation chain, the last one. This is row number 1. We started with an even number of chains, so now we will have 1 stitch less. All right, so I will have 11 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, because we started on the second chain from the hook. Chain 1. Now the second and third row are again single crochet rows, because we need the height. We need the height for the spike stitch, for this spike cluster stitch. So we are working 3 single crochet rows. So row number 1, 2, and 3 are single crochet rows, just as simple as that. So we chain 1, does not count as a stitch. We single crochet in the first stitch from the hook and across all the way, 1 single crochet on top of the other until the end. So we get the height that we need for the spike cluster stitch. 1 and another one. Very simple, very addictive, really. Let me get some yarn here. And the last one, don't forget the last one. Chain 1, turn our work, and the third row, again, start with 1 single crochet in the first stitch from the hook and 1 single crochet across on top of each single crochet. Now at the last one from this row, from the third row, we will change colors. Now again, you don't have to, but I think if you change colors, so the stitch pattern pops up more. You can see it and it's really beautiful. So this is my last stitch. I insert my hook, pull up a loop, and I don't finish my single crochet. I take my second yarn color and I finish my single crochet with my second color. That's it. And now I will work with the white. Now we get to the juicy part, to the spike cluster stitch. So chain 4, chain 1, and turn your work. Okay, the first stitch is a single crochet stitch in the first stitch from your hook. One single crochet stitch is normal. Now we start our first spike cluster. We yarn over and we insert our hook in the next stitch here, as if we were doing a double crochet. Yarn over, we don't finish anything. We have 3 loops on our hook. We yarn over again, we go down to the second row from the middle row here in this kind of hole. We insert our hook and we pull up another loop. We yarn over again and we go down to the first row and insert in this hole here. Insert our hook and pull up a loop, and now we have to pull the loops very loose so they get the height. We will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 loops on our hook. We yarn over and we pull through all 7 loops. Now we don't close it with a chain. We don't close it. We look for our next stitch and we single crochet in the next stitch. Okay? Look. This is how you get your first cluster, spike cluster. Let's do it again. Yarn over, now we're going to our next stitch. Yarn over, insert and pull up a loop. Yarn over, insert in the next below and pull up a loop. Yarn over and insert in the next below and pull up a loop and make it loose so you have the height. Yarn over and pull through all 7 loops. Do not close it, don't chain 1. Chain 1, single crochet in the next stitch. That's it. Let's do it one more time. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull in the one below, yarn over, pull in the one below. You can always look if you're in the right place, because you need to have one line of stitches below the single crochet here that you are not using the spike. So now I have 7 loops on my hook, yarn over and pull through all 7. I don't close it, I single crochet in the next one. And that's it. Another one, and below, pull through all 7, single crochet in the next stitch, and oops, my camera. The last one, 1, 2, and 3. Pull up loose so I have the height. Pull through all 7 and single crochet in the last stitch. Now, if you change colors, so there are several options here. You can continue as I did here. This is the rows repeat, 3 single crochet rows and 1 spike cluster. That's it. So now you can decide if you want to change back to the first color and do the same. So you will have 3 single crochet in pink and 1 spike in white. Or if you want, like I did here, alternate the colors and do the single crochet, the 3 single crochet rows in the white, and then alternate to have the spike stitch in the first color. It's up to you, whatever you want to do. It just depends on your project. So you chain 1, turn your work, and you work 1 single crochet in each and every stitch. Make sure you have the same amount of stitches that you started with, so your project does not go kind of wonky, right? Kind of very narrow, or maybe increasing stitches. You just have to make sure you have the same amount of stitches. So 1 single crochet on top of every stitch from the previous row, 1 on top of the cluster, 1 on top of the single crochet. Very, very easy. And my last one, chain 1, turn. This is my first single crochet row. Let's see if I made 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, I'm good. Sometimes I'm not good, so I have to frog and do it again. 1 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my second single crochet row. So we have the height, right? And then I'll do my third single crochet row and decide if I want to use the pink color. Okay, this is how it goes. You do 1 more row of single crochet, and then you repeat row number 4 with the spike clusters. Now look at the other side. This is the right side. Look how textured, how bumpy they are. Amazing, right? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I will see you in our next stitch tutorial. Bye!